Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract data from Google Maps. Google Maps offers a treasure trove of data, including locations, routes, business infos, and geographical details. You can extract this data from your business insights or development purposes using Google Maps, APIs, or Google My Business data export features. Now let's follow these steps to extract data from Google Maps. The first step is to use Google Maps API, and to do that, just sign in to Google Cloud Console and enable APIs like Places API, Geocoding API, or Direction API. And to do that, just go to Google Maps Cloud Console right here, click on it, and sign in with the make sure you sign in using your Google account credentials. Now once signed in, use Google Maps API. Now after you enable APIs like Places API, Geocoding API, or Directions API, use Google Maps API services. For example, Places API allows you to fetch business locations, place names, ratings, etc. Geocoding API converts addresses to geographical coordinates, which has latitude and longitude, and Directions APIs extract route informations between two or more locations. Now for the third step is to navigate to credentials in Google Cloud Console and create an API key. This key is used to authenticate your API calls. As for the fourth step, make API requests. Using a programming language, for example Python or JavaScript, you can make requests to these APIs to extract data. And for the fifth step, parse the data. And you can do that. The response from Google Maps APIs will come in JSON format. You can parse the data and extract the relevant information like business names, addresses, ratings, and more. And for the sixth and final step, use Google My Business Insights. If you're a business owner, use Google My Business by going to Google My Business. This one right here. And use it to extract data about your location such as customer reviews, search queries, and reviews. Now extracting data from Google Maps using the Google Maps APIs opens up a wide range of possibilities for your application or research, whether you're building a local search app, analyzing route data, or gaining insight into customer behavior. These APIs offer powerful tools for data extractions.